Hello and welcome. I'm Nestor, your AI Scout. In this video, let's check out what is the latest in the world of AI. Okay, first up, big news from Google. Let's check it out here. Google adds Bard now to all of their apps. So it's looking like some serious competition here. Google has stepped up their game and provided Bard access to all their other apps like YouTube, your Gmail account, Sheets, Flights, all kinds of things. So it's going to be similar to an extension, similar to Chrome extensions. So if you go on Bard, you can click on the extension tab and you can see all the different things that Bard can have access to. Now you can speak to Bard and have it scan your emails, look through things, check flights, give you itineraries, give you tons of information. So they say that they're not gonna use that information to train the AI, but we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, it seems like a very, very big move by Google to help integrate generative AI into all of their applications and bring kind of a centralized AI for your apps and to become basically your personal assistant. So this is huge news and a huge upgrade to what Google is doing. Definitely think it's going to be a game changer as they compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT. So that is so far what Google is going on. Now let's not fall behind here. Amazon continues to develop generative AI products with not only the reviews on their Amazon website when you buy stuff on Amazon, but also they are going to try to add more generative AI to Alexa itself, which is obvious. Alexa is already a personal assistant, but very limited. So they are also going to give some AI features to it, meaning generative AI features, so that it's more personable, more of an assistant. It can look up things. So they are definitely updating Alexa and giving it more of the generative AI feel, so to speak. So you will be able to just talk to it and get responses as if you were probably chatting with ChatGPT on a computer. Instead of inputting the information, you can just talk. So very interesting stuff. We'll see when this rolls out. They are expecting some of this year, but we'll keep an eye on that. Also in the news, OpenAI has just released their DALL-E 3 version, and really it wasn't too long ago. Maybe I think it was about 2 months ago they released DALL-E 2, so they're already on DALL-E 3. That's how fast this thing is moving here. And this promises to generate more accurate images by grasping the details and nuances in the description. So basically your description can be a little more vague and you don't have to be so precise with your description, so it can produce an image. They also plan to add this to the paid subscription sometime in the near future. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Now they are definitely in direct competition with Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a great platform. They have great AI apps on their clipdrop website, and there's many things you can do with your photos, generate images. The doodle thing is very cool. So if you definitely haven't checked that out, I'll put a link in the description about Stable Diffusion's clipdrop, and it's basically a series of different apps that uses their models to manipulate images however you'd like. They do have a paid version. Now, talking about Stability AI and Stable Diffusion, they have just debuted a Stable Audio, which is text to audio generation. The difference between Stable AI's audio and other text to audio generations is that they are planning to create this as a platform that can create music originally, meaning a lot of these other audio platforms and AIs, really you can text like, I want music in this certain genre, or I want music to sound like the Beatles, or I want music to sound in reggae or something, and it will give you a MIDI. Using MIDI code, it will produce these sounds. Well, the way that they are going about it is they are using this diffusion model to create sounds using raw sound waves. So instead of giving you digital MIDI code that is used by computers to mimic sound, they are actually going to create raw sound. And it was trained on raw sound from licensed audio. And I think their image and their idea is to be more original, where you cannot just ask it for sounds that mimic other sounds. I want a song that kind of sounds like this. It's more of like, I want to create this type of sounding music, and it should be able to generate that. So I think, according to this article, this is the route that they are trying to go with. Something a little more creative, something a little more original, which is definitely, I think, a good angle and something unique. And we'll see how that goes. So that's a brief news cover for this week. Sorry, I've been out for a couple of weeks, had to deal with some personal issues, but I will definitely be back keeping you guys updated on the latest in AI. So keep it locked here on the AI Scout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next time, bye for now.